Hey, welcome back to PianoLessonsForLife.com. My name's Greg, and I'm going to show you a few more blues licks, and these are easy blues licks. I gave you 3 in our last lesson, and we're going to do a few more here today. This first one's pretty easy. It's in the key of C again. Let me get my piano going here. Basically, that's all it is. Okay, it's the flatted 5th. It actually would start on the 5th. And you can see this is a sort of a swing feel. Regular 8th notes would be, but this is ba 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 ba. That's a swing feel for the 8th notes. And it's a pretty easy lick. You know, as I was fooling with it, you could do it with these fingers. But if you have fat fingers, you might get that happening. So the best way is with 2, 1, and 5 seconds. It starts with your thumb. And it takes a little bit, and eventually you can get it faster. Like that. So here's how it sounds with the band. So that's a pretty easy blues lick that you can use right away. Again, start slow and build up the tempo until you can do it in full tempo. And we're going to show you a few more blues licks. Remember to visit PianoLessonsForLife.com, because all the blues licks I'll be showing you are all there under the Blues Piano tab. Be right back with another blues lick. And with another cool blues lick you can use. This one's a little more difficult. It's kind of like one of the ones we did in the last lesson, where it's descending notes, intervals. Okay, some people like to do it with the 4th finger. For me, I like the 3rd finger. It's just more comfortable for me. So basically it's C and B flat, then C and A, then C and G. And in between, you can rock with this octave here. And that's the basic lick. Now, that one's actually, you know, I can feel it in my hand when I do that. So again, these are going to take some practices, and I'll try and keep it going for a whole chorus as we listen to it with the whole band. And again, start slow, build up the speed. Here we go. I started off a little weak there, but finally got the hang of it. Again, I don't use all of these blues licks, but these are nice, easy ones that you can use. They sound kind of cool. And on to the next one. Again, visit PianoLessonsForLife.com if you want to get all of these. They're listed there under the Blues Piano tab. Personal piano professor, and we're continuing along with our blues licks. Here's another nice, easy one that you can do. Well, it's easy in terms of the theory of it. It's just octaves and a rocking back and forth. And then you want to build it up so it sounds like a tremolo or kind of like a little warble there. And even though it's easy, sometimes it's just what you need to play over a band, over somebody soloing or something like that. It's just a handy little lick to have. So here's how it sounds with the whole band. Coming up. right, I did it through the whole chorus, and sometimes you want to use it for part of a chorus or a whole chorus. Again, it's more of a rocking motion with your wrist than it is your fingers. And as time goes on, you'll get smoother with those. Again, these blues licks and more are all on my website, www.pianolessonsforlife.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for the free lesson alerts at the top, right-hand side of the page, and we'll be sending you these lessons as they come out every week. And again, keep on playing. Stay tuned for more blues licks.